What I'm working on today is a 2019 F-150 with the 2.7, and what's happening is after I come to a stop, and especially after I fuel up, it is hard to keep running. It'll be running really rough. What I'm going to do is take and replace the purge valve for the evap system here. So I got these little green clips here. You can go and put a screwdriver in there, pop that up. Coming up to the side of the throttle body here is another one. And on the back side here, there is this little blue clip. Okay, so this blue clip here, this thing goes and snaps over it. You have to pull this up and then push it down, and then you can wiggle your tube off the back. It undid the electrical connection, so now we'll take it and we'll pull this thing up. And push down on here, wiggle it out. Okay, the real trick to getting it out is taking and rotating this piece here, and then it'll come out. What I did was got the part number here, and here is the new updated part from Ford. So we'll go ahead and fish this one through and hook it up. And now that I got that fished through, pull these rubber caps off here, make our connection, slide it over that metal tab there, get our line here, slide that on. Try to do this one-handed here. Got that slid on. This will push through, and then that locking tab comes around and locks on like this. This is what you need. Put your screwdriver in to unlock it. That little tab right there. Grab our electrical connection and we'll put that on. Lastly, since this needed to be in the down position to get it through there, you'll have to take and pick it up, rotate it, and then get it to lock on here. Okay, there's not a lot of room to get that to fit on. I had to pull the valve off the back, little holding post there, to have enough wiggle room to get it on. Got it on, lock that tab down. And if you had a P1450 check engine code, you can clear that now.